In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview audio and video files in Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is a powerful tool that allows you to organize and manage your media files efficiently. If you're still getting to grips with it, or just need a refresher on how to preview your files before diving into edits, you're in the right place. Let's start by selecting the media file you want to preview. First, ensure that you're in Bridge's Content panel, where all your files are neatly displayed. Once you're there, scroll through this panel until you locate the audio or video file you're interested in. Click on the file to select it. And just like that, you're ready to preview your media. Now the next thing you want to do is utilize the Preview panel in Adobe Bridge. This is a handy feature that will allow you to watch or listen to your file without leaving the application. If you don't see the Preview panel right away, don't worry. It's just a click away. Simply go to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Preview. This will open up the Preview panel if it hasn't already been displayed on your screen. With the Preview panel visible and the file selected, you'll notice there's a Play button. Click this button to start the playback of your video or audio file right within Bridge. It's such a seamless way to check your media files and ensure everything is in order before proceeding with further editing or sharing. While using the Preview panel, Adobe Bridge offers you a few other controls to enhance your preview experience. For video files, you can use the pause button whenever you need a closer look or want to jot down notes. There's also a loop feature, perfect for reviewing videos that require repeated viewing for detailed analysis or when trying to capture a specific moment. For audio files, you can adjust the volume directly from the Preview panel. This is particularly useful if you need to listen to the details of the track, like checking for any background noise that may have gone unnoticed initially. It's worth mentioning that not all file formats may support these additional controls, but for those that do, they can really make your workflow more efficient. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to previewing audio and video files in Adobe Bridge. Remember, previewing your media is an essential step in the editing process, saving you time and ensuring that what you see or hear is exactly what you expect before you move forward. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it enhances your experience with Adobe Bridge. Follow along for more tips and tricks to streamline your creative process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.